A recent study by Deloitte says that 63% of organizations are now using cloud-based payroll systems for their businesses. And this clearly highlights the rapid shift towards modern, flexible payroll solutions in today's business landscape. Hello guys, and welcome everyone to this video on what is Workday Payroll, where we will explore how this innovative solution is reshaping payroll management for businesses of all the sizes. Now the question comes, what exactly is this Workday Payroll? So it's a cloud-based payroll processing and management system that enables organizations to streamline their payroll operations and ensure compliance and provide employees with on-demand access to their payroll information. And one of the key advantages of Workday Payroll is its ability to handle complex global payroll requirements while maintaining a user-friendly interface. But Workday Payroll isn't just about processing payments. As Josh Bersin, a leading industry analyst, noted that Workday Payroll is the part of large trend towards unified HCM system that provides a single source of truth for all employees' data, enabling more strategic decision making and improved employees' experience. So through this video, we will cover each and every aspect you need to know about what Workday Payroll is, like what is Workday Payroll and the features and benefits of using it. But before we begin, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to never miss any updates coming from us.
So here is our agenda for this video. We will start by looking at what Workday Payroll is. Then we will look at the basic Workday Payroll setup. And lastly, we will see the sources of payroll data. Now, before we delve into the Workday Payroll specifically, let's take a moment and try to understand Workday as a company first. So Workday is a cloud-based financial management and human capital management software vendor. It was founded in March 2005 by David Duffield, who was previously the CEO of PeopleSoft. Then Workday launched its first product in November 2006, that's quickly gaining traction in the business software market. And today, the company is led by the CEO and chairman Anil Bhusri. Now, what sets Workday apart is its commitment to cloud-based solution, which offers flexibility, scalability, and real-time updates that traditional on-premises software can't even match today. And this cloud-first approach has made Workday a popular choice for businesses of all sizes, from growing startups to Fortune 500 companies. Now, let's move forward with an introduction to Workday Payroll. So, what exactly is Workday Payroll? So, at its core, Workday Payroll is a cloud-based payroll management system that is designed to help organizations manage their payroll processes efficiently. But what does this mean in practical? Now imagine you are running a multinational company with employees in United States, Canada, and UK. So here, with the help of Workday Payroll, you can, number one, effectively manage global payroll, which means you can process payroll for all your employees regardless of their location from a single system. So this eliminates the need for multiple payroll systems for different countries. Number two, ensure compliance with diverse tax laws. So Workday Payroll automatically updates to reflect changes in tax laws across different regions. For example, if there is a change in income tax rates in Canada, then the system will automatically apply these changes to your Canadian employees' payroll. Number three, integrate with HR systems. So Workday Payroll seamlessly integrates with Workday's HCM system. This means when an employee gets a promotion or changes departments, their payroll information is automatically updated there. Then number four, offer employee self-service. So employees can access their payslips, update their bank details, or change their tax withholding information directly through this system, which reducing the administrative burden on the HR team. Now here we can see the outcome for companies using Workday Payroll is increasingly operational efficiency and better support for global payroll needs. even in complex organizational structures. Now moving forward, let us see what are the several key benefits that Workday Payroll offers apart from the traditional payroll systems. Number one, multi-pay group management with robust calculations. So this allows you to manage different pay schedules and complex pay structures easily. For instance, you could have hourly workers paid weekly, salaried employees paid bi-weekly, and executives paid monthly, all managed within the same system. Number two, mobile and online pay slips. So employees can have access to their pay slips anytime, anywhere. This is particularly useful for companies with remote or field-based workers. Number three, audits before final payroll. So this system performs automatic audits to catch potential errors before the payroll is finalized. This could prevent situations like overpayments or underpayments, which can be costly and time-consuming to correct. Number four, pre-built reports for insights. So Workday Payroll comes with a variety of pre-built reports that provide valuable insights into your payroll data. For example, you could quickly generate a report on overtime costs across different departments to identify areas where labor cost could be optimized. And number five, automatic cloud-based tax updates. So as mentioned earlier, this system automatically updates to reflect changes in tax laws. And this ensures compliance and reduces the risk of penalties due to the outdated tax calculations. A single solution to hire. So Workday Payroll integrates with Workday's HCM system, creating a seamless process from hiring to paying an employee. So when a new employee is hired, their information may flows directly into the payroll system, that is reducing the data entry and any potential errors. So these benefits combine to create a more efficient, accurate and user-friendly payroll processes for both employers and their employees. Managing overtime calculations. So now moving forward, let us compare how traditional payroll applications handle overtime calculations versus modern applications like Workday Payroll. So in traditional payroll applications, complex overtime rules often exceeds the capabilities of the software. For instance, if your company has a different overtime rates for weekdays, weekends and holidays, or if overtime rates changed on the number of hours worked, then traditional systems might struggle to handle these complexities. These limitations often leads to manual adjustments which are time consuming and prone to errors. Now imagine that you have to manually calculate overtime for hundreds of employees each pay period. So it's a recipe for making mistakes and their payroll delays, right? Now let's look how Workday Payroll, a modern payroll application, handles this. So here it easily configures complex overtime rules by ensuring accurate and timely payroll processing. Here you can set up rules like time and a half for hours worked over 40 in a week, double time for hours worked on holidays, and triple time for hours worked over 12 in a day. So these are all automated within the system. It has a robust calculation engine that can handle these complex scenarios without any manual interventions. The system offers high configurability that's allowing you to set up rules that match your specific business needs and labor agreements. So it basically provides role-based and segment-based security by ensuring that only authorized person can make changes to these critical calculations. So this modern approach not only saves time but also significantly reduces the risk of errors in overtime calculations, that's often leading to more accurate payroll and happier employees. Now moving forward, here we will explore the complete control to manage payroll. So let's break it down. So the number one is full oversight. With Workday Payroll, you can have complete visibility into your payroll processes. You can track each and every step from initial calculations to final payments, and that's ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Second is customization and support. The system is highly customizable to fit your specific business needs. So for example, if you have a unique pay rules for different departments or employee types, then you can configure the system to accommodate this. Third is compliance and automation. So Workday Payroll automatically updates to comply with changing tax laws and regulations. This automatically reduces the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties. Number 4 is accuracy and security. So the system's robust calculation engine and multiple audit points ensure high accuracy. Role-based access controls protect sensitive payroll data. Number 5, employee self-service. So employees can have access their pay information, update their details, and make changes to their payment elections. That's reducing the administrative burden on HR. And number 6, integration and scalability. So Workday Payroll also integrates seamlessly with other Workday modules that can scale as your business grows. So by providing control over the process, data, and costs, Workday Payroll basically empowers organizations to manage their payroll more effectively and efficiently. Workday Payroll for the US offers complete control over your payroll management in 3 key areas. Number 1, process control. Customize workflows to match your organization's infrastructure. For example, set up multi-level approvals for timesheets and payroll processing. Second, data control. Access real-time payroll information in one secure location. These easily generate reports on salaries, increases, and performance ratings for informed decision making. Third, cost control. Gain detailed insights into payroll expenses. You can identify trends in overtime or department costs to optimize spending and make strategic workforce decisions. So this comprehensive control empowers you to manage payroll more efficiently and strategically. Now moving forward, let's dive into the essential setup steps that will revolutionize your company's payment process system. So setting up Workday Payroll involves several key steps. You'll start by setting up the payroll processing framework. This involves defining your pay periods, pay days, and other fundamental payroll settings. You have to assign workers to pay groups. Here you might have different pay groups for hourly versus salaried employees or for different departments or locations. Define earnings and deductions. So this includes setting up regular pay, overtime, bonuses, as well as deductions like taxes, benefits, and retirement contributions. Set up company taxation. So here you will configure the system with your company's tax IDs and ensure that it is set up to calculate and remit the correct taxes. Assign worker level taxation. You will set up individual employee tax withholdings based on their W-4 or equivalent forms. Define and assign payment election rules. You will set up rules for how employees can choose to be paid, direct deposit, paychecks, etc. and assign these rules to the workers. Configure auditing. You will set up audit processes to catch potential errors before payroll is finalized. Configure reporting. You will set up the reports you will need for payroll analysis and compliance. Configure business processes. You will define the workflow for payroll process in your organization. Set up integrations. So you will connect Workday Payroll with other systems such as time and attendance or benefits administration. Set up banking and settlement. So you will configure your company's bank information for payroll disbursements. Set up court orders for workers. So if applicable, you will set up wage garnishments or other court mandated deductions. Set up payroll accounting. So here you will define how payroll transactions will be recorded in your general ledger. So while this might seem a lot, but here Workday provides a guided setup processes and best practices recommendation to make this setup as smooth as possible. Now, once your Workday payroll system is all set, the payroll processes follows these critical steps. Number 1, payroll input. You will gather all necessary data including hours worked, leave taken, and any specific payments or deductions. Then run payroll calculations. So the system calculates gross to net pay for all employees here. Then review payroll and accounting result. So here you will check for any anomalies or errors in the calculations. Then number 4, run retro calculations. So if needed, you will calculate any retroactive payments due to be backdated changes. Number 5, review retro results. You will verify 2 retroactive calculations for accuracy. Number 6, complete retro. Then you will finally finalize any retroactive payments if it is there or not. Then number 7, run payroll complete. So this finalizes the payroll for the period. Number 8, settle payments. This involves sending the payroll file to the bank and distributing pay slips to the employees. And the last steps, tax integration and garnishments. So here you will file necessary tax reports and process any wage garnishments. So this streamlined process ensures accuracy, timeliness, and compliance in each and every payroll run. Now, moving forward, let us explore the sources of payroll data. So accurate payroll processing depends on pulling data from various sources within your organization. These typically include basic biographical information. This includes details like name, address, and social security number. Second, worker and job information. This covers job title, department, manager, and other employment details. Number 3, benefit elections. So the employee's choices for health insurance, retirement plans, and other benefits will be checked here. Number 4, compensation, salary or hourly rate information. Number 5, payroll tax withholding elections. The employee's choices for federal and state tax withholding. Then comes the number 6, payment elections. How the employees want to be paid, direct deposit, check, etc. Number 7, absences and time worked. This includes vacation time, sick leave, and hours worked for hourly employees. Number 8, withholding orders. Any court-ordered deductions like wage garnishments or child support. Number 5, work schedules. It is specifically important for shift workers or part-time employees. And number 10, payroll input. Any additional one-time payments or deductions for the pay period will be checked here. So by pulling data from all of these sources, Workday Payroll ensures that each paycheck accurately reflects the employee's current situation and choices. Now, let's look at the real-world scenario of a monthly payroll processing in a tech company. So number 1, employee data collection. HR starts by gathering all the relevant data here. This includes attendance records, overtime works, any leave deductions, and information about bonuses or other special payments. And in a tech company, this might involve collecting data on late night shifts for system maintenance or bonuses for successful project completions. Second is input verification and data entry. So here, HR then verifies this data with department heads. For example, they might check with the project manager to confirm that a developer worked 10 hours of overtime last week to meet a crucial deadline. And once verified, this data is then entered into the Workday payroll software. Third, calculation and review. So here, the payroll system calculates salaries based on the input data. HR then reviews these calculations for any potential errors, and they might spot that a new hire's signing bonus was missed or that an employee's recent promotion wasn't reflected in their pay. Fourth one is approval and disbursement. So once HR is satisfied with their accuracy of the payroll, it's sent to finance team for the final approval. And after receiving this approval, the salaries are disbursed. And in a modern tech company that is using Workday, this entire process can be largely automated with human oversight at a key points to ensure accuracy and handle any exceptions. So this scenario demonstrates how Workday Payroll can streamline the payroll process, reducing manual work and the potential for any errors, while still allowing for necessary human verifications and approval steps. So that's all we have for this video, guys. Thanks for staying with us till the end. And by now, you definitely have some basic understanding of what Workday Payroll is all about and how it helps organizations to manage their payroll processes efficiently. Now, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do share it with your fellow mates. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our Workday Learners Community YouTube channel for regular updates from us. That's all, guys. Thank you all.
Hi everyone, I'm excited to give you a preview of ZaranTech's Expert Workday Payroll training course. In this intensive program, we'll explore Workday Payroll's key capabilities so you can optimize payroll processes and compliance. Whether you're new to Workday Payroll or an experienced user looking to expand your skills, this training delivers tremendous value. We'll cover the fundamentals: setting up payroll, managing pay groups, understanding calculation logic, and producing payroll reports. ZaranTech has trained hundreds of Workday Payroll experts globally. Our real-world customer examples will empower you to streamline payroll operations and stay compliant. This is an outstanding opportunity to become a certified Workday Payroll expert. Visit the link below for full information on ZaranTech's intensive Workday Payroll training program. Thank you.